Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. So Jetking Infotrain, a prominent Indian IT training company, has announced plans to accumulate 21,000 Bitcoin by 2032. Joint MD Siddharth Barwani said the firm uses a daily buy at any price model to invest daily operational surplus into Bitcoin regardless of the price. Jetking currently holds 23 Bitcoin. In 2025, it raised 6.1 crore and 11.5 crore in two capital rounds to support these purchases and expand its blockchain-focused training offerings across multiple educational and enterprise development initiatives. SharpLink has acquired 15,822 Ether worth $53.9 million in a new accumulation round, bringing its total to 480,031 ETH, valued at around $1.65 billion. The largest transaction involved 6,914 ETH at $23.56 million. So over the last 48 hours, the firm spent $108.57 million USDC to buy 30,755 ETH. A separate $43.09 million buy added 11,259 ETH on Thursday. SharpLink's buying spree coincides with Ether machines, surpassing the Ethereum Foundation to become the third largest corporate ETH holder globally. Trump Media and Technology Group has confirmed it holds $2 billion in Bitcoin and related instruments, establishing one of the largest crypto treasuries among US-listed companies. Its Q2 2025 earnings revealed $3.1 billion in total assets and $2.3 million in operating cash flow. The firm also committed $300 million to a Bitcoin option strategy for flexible exposure. The treasury mix includes spot Bitcoin ETFs and trust, offering both liquidity and long-term digital asset positioning in uncertain macroeconomic environments. CoinDCX has resumed withdrawals after a $44 million security breach linked to third-party wallet provider BitGo. CEO Sumit Gupta said no user funds were lost and emphasized user protection. The July 19 hack led to the July 26 arrest of Shubham Anand, a CoinDCX engineer accused of manipulating internal systems. Founded in 2018, the Mumbai-based exchange controls 80% of India's centralized crypto market, holds over 10,000 crore in assets, and reported 1,179 crore in annual revenue in 2024 to 25. Metaplanet kicked off August by acquiring 463 Bitcoin for $53.7 million, taking advantage of a 5% weekend dip. The Japanese investment firm paid in an average of $115,895 per BTC, bringing its total holdings to 17,595 BTC, worth over $2 billion. This maintains its rank as the world's 7th largest corporate holder. The purchase follows the July wave of institutional buying totaling $7.8 billion. Despite early August outflows in spot Bitcoin ETFs, Metaplanet continues accumulating, aiming for 210,000 Bitcoin, 1% of supply by 2027. The Cardano community has approved a $96 million ADA Treasury proposal to fund 12 months of network upgrades. The vote passed with 74% support and will be milestone-based, with oversight from member organization Intersect and smart contract-based releases. So key projects include Hydra for faster transactions and Acropolis, a re-architecture of the Cardano node. So while some raised concerns about cost and accountability, the move signals a growing commitment to improving scalability, developer experience, and interoperability across the Cardano ecosystem. Retail investors in the UK will be able to access crypto ETNs starting October 8, according to a new policy from the Financial Conduct Authority. The regulator had banned such access in 2021 due to investor risk concerns. Now, with improved market infrastructure, the FCA will permit access via approved UK-based exchanges. Promotions must meet strict standards, and CETNs won't be protected under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. The change aligns with a global trend seen in the US crypto ETF adoption. According to a Ripple-backed report, traditional banks have invested more than $100 billion in blockchain technology from 2020 to 2024. The study done with CB Insights and the UK Centre for Blockchain Technologies examined 10,000 deals and surveyed 1,800 financial leaders. Now, payments, infrastructure, custody, and tokenization topped investment areas. Over 90% of executives expect blockchain to have significant impact by 2028. Banks are focusing on stablecoins, custody, and tokenized assets as digital finance moves from theory to global adoption. The SEC's new crypto task force is launching a US tour to meet small crypto startups and broaden regulatory outreach. Spearheaded by Commissioner Hester Pierce, the task force will visit 10 cities including New York, Dallas and Boston from August through December. It targets projects with under 10 employees in less than 2 years in operation. The goal is to include voices previously left out of DC policy discussions. Pierce emphasized the importance of hearing diverse perspectives in crypto regulation. The US Commodity Futures Trading Commission has begun a crypto sprint to implement directives from President Trump's executive order on digital assets. Acting Chair Caroline Pham said the CFTC will work closely with the SEC and Treasury. Tasks include guidance on crypto commodities and registration in DeFi. The sprint also explores updating rules for blockchain-based derivatives. The plan stems from a report with 18 recommendations, with 2 directly assigned to CFTC and 16 shared with other agencies. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.